Hello guys, we are on to number 11, El Camino Mariachi, which translated from Spanish to English means the way mariachi. And mariachi is a type of popular music group, folk music group in Mexico that has trumpets and violins and guitars and singers, and they usually wear fancy outfits and entertain for parties and things like that. So in this exercise, we are doing what's called a duet. And a duet means that you have more than one set of notes playing at a time. And right now we only have 3 different letter names that we know, so this is a very limited duet, but it's our first chance to experience playing harmony with each other. So if you don't have anyone at home to play harmony with, you can play against one of my recordings when I play each line by itself. I will also then stitch together 3 other videos. This is the first one I'm going to play at 3 different speeds, so for people who want to really push themselves to get their hand-eye coordination a little faster, I will now also add a speed of 120 beats per minute. So in a duet, you will notice that the staff doesn't have a measure line that just goes through the 5 lines. It actually jumps down the space and goes through the 5 lines of the next staff down. That means that we're going to play, or have 2 people play that music at the same time. You don't play one line and then jump down and play the next line. So you actually are going to be playing 2 notes that are different at the same time and creating harmony. In our book, they're labeled in 2 different ways. One over the time signature where the 4/4 is. The first line says A and the second line says B. Now, a unique thing about our book is that the duet is also highlighted with yellow, and that yellow highlighting allows us to kind of focus our eyes on the line that we're playing. The challenge with a duet is that sometimes you're playing your part and you get distracted by what the other person is playing. So I recommend practicing both lines, and then if you have me in class and I ask you to play one line or the other, you know what's going on, but you're also really well practiced on your line and you won't get distracted. So for the purposes of hearing each part, I'm only going to play it the one time through at 80, but playing both parts of the duet, I will play it 3 times through at 3 different speeds. Here's part A. And here's part B. And in just a moment, you'll see a transition and see me then in split screen playing both parts of the duet alongside each other.